The glorious Quran, it is the future world constitution. It is the most positive book in the world. It is a proclamation to humanity. It is a fountain of mercy and wisdom. It's a warning to the heedless. It's a guide to the erring. It's an assurance to those in doubt. It's a solace to the suffering. It's a hope to those in despair. Because the Quran is the future world constitution, it is a global necessity. Because the Quran is the most positive book in the world, the Quran is a global necessity. Because the Quran is the proclamation to humanity, the glorious Quran is a global necessity. Because the Quran is the fountain of mercy and wisdom, Al-Quran is a global necessity.